And what strikes me when I look at what Audi is actually doing here is the sheer range of it. I mean, you have, iris checking labels at Ingersoll and Neckarsulm. You've got weld spatter detection with Siemens. You've got tender toucan in procurement, spot weld monitoring in body construction. I mean, these are not adjacent problems. They sit in completely different parts of the business at different levels of maturity, requiring different kinds of expertise. And you're managing over 100 of them, as I understand it. So my question is, how do you decide which of these initiatives get the resource and attention needed to actually move from a promising use case to something running at scale across your plants?
Sure. Yeah, it's maybe one of the most important tasks I have to do. Yeah. So as you mentioned, like there's a broad variety in AI use cases that we are having. Yeah. And this originates because the production logistics at Audi harbors also different parts of our processes, like the production itself. With all the different like body shop, press shop, paint shop, assembly line, and so on. Like there you have already some variety. You have like the infrastructure management, that's meaning all the buildings and stuff like this. You have the whole logistics and supply chain, and the planning department for the production planning is also involved. And like you have the different type of works to be jobs to be done, and like this you have also the different types of AI applications. So what to manage this and to manage it in a systematically way, we started building like a centralized portfolio where we really got all the ideas where we could use AI and the potential to bring it in a portfolio. That we have like we call it agile use case journey, meaning we create them. How ready are they? The application for implementation, is it a rough idea? Do we already know that's technically working? Pilots already have shown, for example, that there is business benefit and it's ready for rollout. So this is like one part to create them according to the readiness and to the how ready they are to bring to production. The second part is we cluster them also along field of actions. So we have like cases where it's like more industrial computer vision, for example, for quality inspection. We have other use cases that work on the supply chain. We have others that work in the more indirect areas, or how we call it. And from these field of actions, we can also derive are there any strategic needs that we, for example, build some core products, or that we have some need for platforms. And this is like key to have this like central view to start prioritizing and bring them into production, meaning enablers like platforms, products, but also then the use case. And this we all kind of coordinate along a strategic roadmap that we built for the use of data and AI. Yeah.